to, wait for it, Syria Palestina, after the Greek Philistines who became extinct 800 years earlier. So Palestine was not a people. It's a made-up name the Roman emperor maliciously attached to Judea, Israel, the land of the Jews. We'll get back to that later. Answer this. The Jews are occupying Palestine. True or false? Or bullshit? It's bullshit. The Jews are the aboriginal people of Judea. Like Greeks in Greece, Native Americans in America, Chinese in China, Jews can't occupy Judea. The quiz is over, and so is Rome. Karma sucks. With much of the Jewish population scattered, Muhammad, a charismatic leader, appears in what is now Saudi Arabia and unites diverse nomadic Arab tribes under the banner of Islam. After Muhammad's death, his followers conquer the land of Israel and build the Al-Aqsa Mosque atop the ruins of the first and second Jewish temples, Judaism's holiest site. Next up, the Dark Ages. Not a good time to be Jewish. The Middle Ages. Still very dark. Jews take the rap for the Romans' killing of Jesus and are subjected to random killing sprees, mob riots, expulsions, and monstrous persecution. Christian crusaders spend years